Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So in today's video, it's a vlog. I'm making my hair right now. I am braiding my hair. I'll be doing my nails just to get myself prepared for my daughter's birthday photo shoot. Birthday photo shoot. So her birthday is next year, so this is December, and I'm just trying to look good for the photo shoot. If you're new here, my video is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood, and vlogs. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So baby girl is hungry and I decided to feed her. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you all so much for all the love. I really appreciate. So let's get this video started. So guys, my hair is all done. I look so good, right? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the hair and my nails, the Christmas vibe. So yeah. Good morning guys. So today is a new day. So today is the photo shoot anyway. Yeah, we're doing the photo shoot today and taking her like two outfits, and we're going to take a family picture in this video. So we just woke up, and very soon I'll get up from the bed and do my normal morning routine I used to do. Just gisting, planning on how the photo shoot is going to go. Baby girl is still sleeping. So I always do this on my hair in the morning anytime I wake up. Like, this is just like my morning routine in the bathroom. Before I leave the bathroom, I pour water or any DIY spray I have, then I use oil just to massage the front of my hair. I do this every day in the morning. So it's time for breakfast. We are having plantain and I think oatmeal. We had plantain and oatmeal that day. So just slicing the plantain and getting breakfast ready. Hello, Bob. Say hi. Say hi, 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 hi. Say hi. So hi guys. So I'm feeding my daughter her breakfast. Also give her some plantain to eat, and just for her to get ready for her photo shoot. This is how I packed her hair, and we are ready for our photo shoot. And after this clip, you see me. I've already done my makeup, and yeah, this is me. I've done my makeup, and we are ready for the photo shoot. I hope you're still watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. Alright guys. So quick update. So when we got there, she did not stay to snap the picture. It was a force. So in the next clip you see me when I was saying I had to come out for them to take her the picture. Yet I still had to go back because she was still crying. I have to come out so that she can snap her picture. If not, she has been crying like she does not want to snap the picture. So I have to come outside. I just hope she just snapped this picture. Finger crossed. So we're done with the photo shoot, and we came to get some things for the Christmas, and yeah, just some little stuff we need for the Christmas, toys and some food. And after that we'll head home. Hair farm. So we are done, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in our next vlog. Thank you all for the support. We really appreciate it. Yeah guys. So I got good news. My baby girl gave us like a beautiful Christmas gift. Like, we got home and we're offloading, arranging stuff, and she started walking. Like, I was so emotional. I did not vlog me being emotional anyway, but I vlogged when she started walking. Like, this was she walking, and I was just so happy that her birthday is almost here, and she's just there to give us the best gift ever. Like, she's 11 months old, and she just got up on her own and started walking without help. Like, I'm so grateful to God for this amazing year I have, this journey of motherhood and all that. I am so happy. Thank you all so much for your support, your likes, your super chatting, everything. Hubby is wrapping the Christmas gift, and baby girl is still mastering her walking. Like, when she started this, she was so determined to keep on pushing forward. So thank you all so much. I really appreciate. Yeah, this is how my house is like. Then at the ending of this clip you see the pictures of her